Hi, my name is Tyler Dewitt, and today we are converting units of pressure. I love this smell.
Okay, so I'm sorry about that interruption. So, first we are going to convert atmosphere, or ATM, to millimeters of mercury. So, the conversion factor for this conversion is actually 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So, if we have a problem here, example number 1 that we are going to do is convert 0.875 atmospheres to millimeters of mercury. So, since we use our handy-dandy conversion factor, 1 ATM equals 760 millimeters of mercury, we can set up a dimensional analysis problem. So, if we can put the atmospheres at the top, then we can put the mercuries, and then we can cross that out, and we actually get, taking out our handy-dandy calculators, we can get 665 millimeters of mercury. Okay, so if you wanted to convert from millimeters of mercury to ATM, you would actually use the same conversion factor. And say you started out with millimeters of mercury, you would just divide by 760 using the conversion factor. Let's look at another example.
Alright, so for our second example, we are going to be converting atmosphere to kilopascals. Now, before we start, we need to know our conversion factor, which in this case, 1 atmosphere is equal to 101.325 kilopascals. Now, for an example, let's convert 0.955 atmospheres to kilopascals. So, by setting up a dimensional analysis problem, in this case, putting atmospheres directly next to kilopascals using dimensional analysis and canceling out the atmospheres, this gives us 96.77 kilopascals. Okay, so say we were to start with kilopascals and try to convert to atmosphere. We use the same conversion factor, which is 1 atmosphere is 101.325 kilopascals. But this time we use dimensional analysis and division, putting 96.77 kilopascals, which is the answer from the first problem, over 101.325. By using this, we would get 0.955 atmospheres, which is also the number we started with in the first problem.
Hi, I'm back. Tyler Dewitt is here, and my cousin and my son, they're gone. Okay, so now we're going to get right back into it. Alright, so we are going to be converting millimeters of mercury to kilopascals. Alright, so our example is convert 740 millimeters of mercury to kilopascals. Now, we're going to actually use the conversion factor, 760 millimeters of mercury to 101.325 kilopascals. Alright, so we're going to take that conversion factor and we're going to put it into dimensional analysis. So, this means that we're going to get 740 millimeters of mercury times 101.325 kilopascals divided by 760 millimeters of mercury. Alright, so we're going to take that, and if we use our trusty calculator, we are going to get 98.67 kilopascals. Alright, so there is our final example, and I'm so glad that you could be with us today. You know what, I think I have one more example. Just a second.
Not again. Let's go.
Come on, Dad. Tyler Dewitt's strange addiction.